Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ade Rohana. I'm from 2B. The topic today is turmeric. The turmeric is one of many medicinal plants that have many benefits and are found much in the Indonesian region. The turmeric is a type of grasses about 3 feet 1 meter high, and the flower rises from the hollows of a pseudo-stem about 10 to 15 centimeter in length and is white. The root is dark yellow, smelling aromatic and mildly sweet. The main part of the chewing plant is its underground resort. It has multiple branches and is growing outward, usually an elliptic rich yellow brush. Turmeric, Curcuma vanillin, Cyan, Curcuma domestica pulp, is part of the herbs and medicine indigenous to Southeast Asia. The plant that experiences dispersal to areas of Malaysia, Indonesia, Australia, even Africa. Almost every Indonesian and Indian and Asian nation has commonly consumed these herbs, either to supplement the flavor of cooking, to herbs, or to maintain health and beauty. Turmeric belongs to the ginger group, Gingiberacea. Turmeric is known in various areas by several local names such as turmeric in English, curcuma in Dutch, turmerma in Indonesia and Malaysia, general flute, and Jepakenye Madura. Turmeric has a useful content called a curcumin. Curcumin is an antioxidant that has an anti-inflammatory effect. In one turmeric, it has less than 200 milligrams and of decimal. The active substance helps stop the workings of enzymes as well as cytokines that can make inflammation in the body. Ringtone is a substance that interacts with borotonic acid which produce a red substance called rosocyanine. The density of the curcuminoid, known as curcuminoid, are of two varieties, namely dry and bistokin. While in people is curcumin transformed into a metabolic compound of hydrox or tetrahydroclase before it is converted into a conjugated compound. The tortoise is known for its tumor antibacterial and antioxidant properties. In addition to spices and cooking, turmeric also has benefits for the health of the body. Doctors have also examined the content in turmeric. There are several benefits of turmeric, namely, first, blocking cancer cells. According to the doctors at UCLA, the saffron has been found as the main active ingredient in the turmeric. The tortoise is there to block the enzymes that drive the growth of cancer in the head and neck. In his research, 21 people had cancer in his head and neck. They are then asked to consume 2 tablets containing 1,000 milligrams of curcumin. The result of the evaluation at an independent laboratory in Maryland found that the enzymes that propelled the cancer in the patient's mouth were inhibited by the fever. Even this can prevent the spread of malignant cells of cancer by the swirl inside the turmeric. Second, powerful antioxidant. The University of Maryland Medical Center also states that the antioxidant qualities in turmeric querins are powerful in the fight against cancer-free radical. In addition to this earlier study, the tortoise showed that it can help prevent certain type of cancer, including the prostate, the skin, and the large intestine. Third, lowering the risk of Alzheimer. In a study in the American Journal of Geriatric Psychiatry, the tortoise has been described as improving memory and mood swings in people suffering from cases and mild memory loss. Research involved 40 adults aged between 50 and 90 years. Participants were asked to take 18 months of curcumin or placebo pills. Fourth is an anti-inflammatory. Medical director of the Arizona Integrative Medical Center, Randy Horrid, in a paper at the American Academy of Pain Management, provided information about saffron's health benefit. Turmeric is one of the most effective natural anti-inflammatory drugs, says Horrid in a newspaper. In a study in a University of Arizona, research experimented with the turmeric effects of mice with injected rheumatoid arthritis. Rheumatoid arthritis is the inflamed joint of the immune system that attacks its own tissues. For treatment with turmeric, Q3 inhibits and rheumatoid arthritic threat and also reduce the symptoms significantly. Additionally, in some other studies, the curcumin will relieve the symptom of long-term inflammation in the middle of the eye. Also, daily use of turmeric for several months can increase renal function for sufferers in kidney inflammation. Fifth, osteoarthritis pain reliever. Osteoarthritis is a condition on which joint becomes painful from mild inflammation arising from the friction and bone deformity. Some studies have shown that taking in a turmeric extract and eases osteoarthritis pain. In one study reported on web several work as well as ibuprofen to relieve osteoarthritis pain. 6. Digestive tract and heartburn. Now you don't have to struggle with indigestion and a stomach full of heartburn. For this reason, the coils found in the turmeric will work with bile, then stimulate it work optimally, and it will aid digestion. Even in Germany, turmeric is prescribed for digestive problem. In some other studies, turmeric can help in the problem the stomach, flatulence, and gas in the stomach. Additionally, turmeric may also help reduce the occurrence of colon irritation syndrome or IBS in healthy people. 7th, suppressing heart disease and diabetes. Studies show sugar help prevent flake build-up. This is good because flake build up in general and clog arteries and cause heart attacks and stroke. Initial research suggested that taking turmeric daily may reduce the number of people with prediabetes. Prediabetes is a condition in which sugar content in the blood and exceeded the normal limit, but which has not been categorized as type 2 diabetes. Turmeric plants have many benefits apart from being a spice in the kitchen. There are also substances contained therein that are beneficial for health. All of that has been researched by medicine, and the result have been proven to be beneficial for the body. Consuming turmeric is not a loss because turmeric is not harmful for the body. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi